welcome back. So today's episode of Kyunki Saas Kabhi Bahu brings an important turning point as Tulsi takes a bold step to bring discipline and responsibility back to Shanti Niketan. Gathering the entire family together, she announces a new rule that leaves everyone stunned. From now on, every family member living in the house will have to contribute by paying rent. The unexpected decision shocks everyone as no one imagined Tulsi would ever introduce such a rule in their own home. As questions and objections begin pouring in, Tulsi calmly explains the reason behind her decision. She says the rent is not about collecting money or creating financial pressure. Instead, she wants every member of the family to understand the value of responsibility, accountability, and importance of contributing to the household. According to Tulsi, when people receive everything without effort, they often fail to appreciate it. She believes that every member should share the responsibility of maintaining the home rather than taking it for granted. Her announcement divides the family. Some openly disagree with her and feel the rule is unnecessary, while others slowly begin to understand the deeper lesson behind her decision. Despite the criticism, Tulsi refuses to change her stand. She firmly tells everyone that discipline, respect, and equal contribution are the foundation of a strong family, and without these values, misunderstanding will continue to grow. As the day progresses, Tulsi's words begin to make an impact. Family members realizes that her decision is not about money but about strengthening their relationship and creating a sense of shared responsibility. Once she is convinced that everyone has understood her message, Tulsi makes an emotional gesture that surprises the entire family. She removes the separation line that had divided Shanti Niketan, symbolizing the end of old conflicts and misunderstanding. The family comes together once again under one roof with a renewed promise to stay united. Tulsi's bold leadership not only restores harmony in the house but also marks the beginning of a new chapter filled with trust, respect, and togetherness. Thank you for watching. Bye.